This car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning. Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, you get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit. We'll be getting lots of 10 greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap drive. You are supreme, the chicks are cream. For grease lightning, we'll get some purple French tail, that's 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual twins, oh yeah. With new pistons, gloves, and shocks, I can